In the last video, I talked about two of the many reasons why you don't want the bank's creditor life protection on your mortgage if you're dealing with the bank. Number one is how banks actually have caps on the amount of coverage they'll issue. And number two is how banks prorate that coverage. So today I'm going to go over two more reasons why you don't want the bank insurance on your mortgage if you're dealing with the bank. Number one is ownership, and number two is beneficiary designation. So when it comes to ownership and you have your mortgage insured through the bank actually owns the policy, not you. And what that means is the bank can increase your premiums at any time, as well as they can cancel the policy at any time. And later on, if you decide you want to move your mortgage to another lender, you'll lose that coverage and you'll have to restart with that new lender. Whereas if you have your own personal life insurance policy, you own the policy and you're in full control. So if later on you decide you want to move your mortgage to another lender, that policy goes with you because it's tied to you and not the lender. The next thing is beneficiary designation. When it comes to the bank's insurance coverage, they're the beneficiary. So if anything happens to you, they just wipe out the mortgage. You have no control over how that money is dispersed. Whereas if you have your own personal plan, you choose who the beneficiary is. So it can be a spouse, it can be a family member, any other loved ones, or anybody else of your choosing. So if you're to pass away, they get the proceeds, not the bank. So if they can choose they want to pay off the mortgage in full, they can go ahead and do that. If they want to pay off half the mortgage and invest the rest, they can do that. The point being is that they get to decide how that money gets dispersed that is suited for them. So as a mortgage broker and an insurance broker, I can customize a package that benefits you, your family, and not the lender. Remember, who you work with matters.